Alright y'all, today we have some baby back ribs here. And before we cook them, we gotta take this part off. So how we do that is we take a knife and we make a cut. And we take a paper towel and just peel it off. Can be hard to get up under it. Alright y'all, these ribs don't have the membrane on them, but if you check the back and you cut it with a knife and use your paper towel after you get under it to lift it up, the membrane will come off if you have one on the back. Most ribs do. So then you get some of this Applewood rub and rub it all over your ribs. Use whatever rub you want. This is the one I like. Get every part of the rib. Rub it in there. Then I like to cut mine in half. And put it in whatever pan I'm going to use. So I'm going to put this in. I'm going to line it with foil. I'm going to cover it. And this will go in the oven for 2.5 hours at 350 degrees. Alright y'all, the ribs have been in for 2.5 hours. And you can see how tender and juicy it is. Just coming right off. That's how you want it. I have some barbecue sauce here. I use Sweet Baby Ray's, but you can use barbecue sauce for your choice. And I'm going to take my brush and brush some barbecue sauce onto it. Get the barbecue sauce on every part. and you'll do the other side as well. Then we're gonna cook it a little bit longer just to cook the barbecue sauce into the ribs so they have that barbecue flavor. And then when I pull it out, I'll brush it one more time, and then the ribs will be done. Alright, the ribs are done. I cooked them for 15 more minutes. Before I put them in, I rubbed some barbecue sauce on them, and I left them uncovered for the last time so that the outside can get cooked. And you can see how tender they are. They just come apart easy. And if you want to, you can put them on broil to give more of like a grilled taste. But other than that, that's it.